You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is 17 over 24 smaller than 1. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Group all x terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract x from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is 17 over 24 smaller than 1.